Hey, my name is Sandra and I'm advanced dental nurse. Probably you have wondered what happens to that drill and its attachments once you leave the dentist room, right? And no, we don't wipe them off and it doesn't get to see another mouth. In point of fact, it has to go through a very big spa treatment, or let's say how it is, the contamination and sterilization process. So basically, once you see the dental nurses clearing off all the tray on a dentist side, we putting all those instruments in the red lidded box, where after your appointment, that got transported to the contamination room, where that drill gets a proper spa appointment before you're going to get see to another mouth. I hope that helps.